Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a smart home upgrade that really caught my attention, the WELOCK ToucA51 Smart Lock, a fingerprint plus keypad smart cylinder lock designed for Euro profile doors. Let's check it out, see how it works, the different use cases, how to set it up, and yeah, nice to know that also works with assistants like Amazon and Google Home. This is the WELOCK ToucA51. It's a smart lock cylinder for European profile doors, adjustable for door thickness, which replaces your existing cylinder, offering keyless access via fingerprint, PIN keypad, RFID, Bluetooth app, and even remote access if you pair it with your optional Wi-Fi bridge. According to WELOCK, it supports 6 unlocking methods: fingerprint, PIN code, up to 200 codes, RFID card, Bluetooth app, emergency USB power, and with the gateway you can also get remote unlocking and voice control. It's built for a DIY installation, no wiring needed, suitable for most wooden or entrance doors in Europe. Let's talk about when this really makes sense. So, family home, you don't have to carry keys. Kids can come home and use either the fingerprint or a PIN. No more hiding a key under the mat. Vacation rental, Airbnb. Generate time-limited PIN codes for guests. Revoke them when they leave. Track usage via the app. Handy for hosts. Office or shared workspace. Manage who has access when. Track entry logs, avoid distributing physical keys. Remote access, security. If you add the Wi-Fi bridge, you can unlock from your smartphone even if you are away. Handy for deliveries or when you need to let someone in while you are not at the door. Now let's talk through setup. There are two parts: mechanical installation and then smart configuration. Remove the existing Euro profile cylinder from your door. The ToucA51 is adjustable for door thickness in the range stated by the manufacturer, so you will slide it to fit. Install the lock slot in 3 AAA batteries. It's battery powered with a long lifespan, about 10-12 months under normal use. No drilling or wiring needed, just a retrofit. Once mechanically installed, you can test the keypad fingerprint. Smart setup. So you download the WELOCK app for iOS or Android. Pair your lock via Bluetooth. In the app, you can register fingerprints, PIN codes, and RFID cards. If you add the Wi-Fi bridge, you enable remote access, app notifications, and voice assistant integration. You can give temporary codes, view access logs, manage permissions, all from your phone. It's pretty straightforward, and the fact that it works manually, even without the bridge, it's a big plus. You are not forced into needing constant Wi-Fi to use it. Now for the smart home fans, yes, the ToucA51 supports voice control via Alexa and Google Home via the Wi-Fi bridge. According to WELOCK, the smart lock is a smart device, supports Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. So once you got the Wi-Fi bridge connected and the lock linked in your smart home ecosystem, you could say things like,
Alexa,
unlock the front door.
hey Google,
Check if the door is locked. Of course, for voice control to work, you need stable Wi-Fi and to set up the integration properly. Tip: always ensure the firmware is up to date, and for extra safety, you might disable voice unlocking for guests if you want more control. Here are what I see as a strong point and also some considerations. Pros: multiple unlocking methods equals flexibility. Fingerprint plus PIN plus RFID plus application. DIY high installation, no major modification required. Retrofits European door, Euro profile. Easily. Smart home ready, so remote access plus voice if you choose to expand. Good battery life and emergency backup via USB power if batteries die. Considerations: to unlock remotely or use voice assistance, you need the optional Wi-Fi bridge, extra cost. Always the case with smart locks, you need them to maintain your Wi-Fi network security. Weak passwords can be a vulnerability, okay? Make sure your door existing hardware and dimensions match the required profile. Otherwise, you may face fitment issues. While fingerprint and keypad are great, physical security still matters. Ensure your door frame hinges are solid. Okay, wrap up and recommendation. In summary, if you're looking to upgrade your front door with a modern, flexible, keyless access solution, the WELOCK ToucA51 is a strong contender. It gives you a lot of options for unlocking, works well manually, and if you want to go full smart home, you can integrate it with your app and voice assistants. It's special appealing for families, rentals, or anyone who would rather leave keys in the past. If you enjoyed this review, hit the like button, subscribe if you are new here, and leave a comment. Would you go for a fingerprint smart lock, keypad, or stick with a classic key? I'd love to hear your choice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.